What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. First, I want to thank all those subscribers who have subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification for more upcoming videos and leave comments on what you would like to see next. And today we got a call on the oven not heating. So I do have one in my video playlist about the oven not heating. In that case, it was a gas oven, and you can check out the link here. And this one is the electric oven. So if it's a gas, most likely the first thing you're going to check is your oven igniter. In this case, it's an electric oven. So the first thing we're going to check is the heating element. So stay tuned and I'll show you how. Yeah. So here's our oven, and it's an electric oven. So I may not be able to record much, but I'll probably do a voiceover. So what we'll do first, we're gonna open up the oven and we're gonna turn the oven to, let's just go bake 350. What we're looking for to see if the element gets hot. Alright, so alright, so we got nothing on that. Then we're gonna change it to brawl. So we're gonna clear it and change it to brawl and go high. And now we can see the top element is starting to heat up, it's starting to turn red. So we know that that element works. Bottom, nothing. So let's turn it back to bake and see. So we're gonna clear it off. Go back to bake, 350. So you can see at bake, that element starts to cool off. And your bottom element, still nothing. So we're gonna remove this element here and we'll test it. Then I'll show you how. So what you would notice, once you pull it out, it has connectors on the end, and we're just gonna disconnect those. Set it up to where you can see it. Hopefully you can hear me. But what we're doing is we're gonna check the ohm or the resistance between this, and I have the meter set up on ohms, which is here, and I also have it set up for the sound. So, I mean, if we got continuity, that's what we'll get. So what you want to do is you want to take your meter and place it on both leads. And that means somewhere along this line we have a break because we're getting no continuity. So that's how you would test it. So we'll check our new part. So this is our new one. We'll do the same. We'll do the same here. That tells us we got continuity. So what that tells us is this has a complete circuit and the other one has a broken circuit within it. So we're going to replace this part and get this piece put back in. So we're going to check again. I'm going to put it on bake and 350.
All right, thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good weekend. Thank you. All right, give me one moment. So we are able to start services for you for October the 14th. Just in case, if we needed to get in contact with you, what contact preference do you prefer? A text, a voice call, or both?
And now, as you can see, it's starting to heat up on bake.
Okay.
So got it taken care of.
Yes,
So if you do have an electric one, that's the way you can check it. Bake and broil and see which one is not working. And then just get your model number and order it from there.
Let me repeat that back. 919.
Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and hit the notification for upcoming videos.
Thank you.
Talk to you later.
And if any changes need
So that's how you tell if your element is bad. And once again, hope this video helps. And thanks to those subscribers who have subscribed. And keep watching. And don't forget to share, like, and comment. And hit the notification for more upcoming videos. Until next time, we'll talk to you later.
Yeah.